Good morning, dear students. I am Dr. Srinivas Batini, Professor of Chemistry in St. Peter Engineering College. In the last video, what we have completed? What did I explain? Introduction of electrochemistry. In that electrochemistry, the main three topics of standard electrode potential (SEP) and standard electrode potential, standard electrode potential, and standard hydrogen potential, electrode potential, standard hydrogen electrode. So these are the three topics I completed in the last video. Today, so we will discuss the important things, sign of electrode potentials. What is that? Sign of electrode potential. And second topic is the Nernst equation. Nernst equation. These two topics we try to finish today's video. Okay. First topic is what? Sign of electrode potential. So sign of electrode potential. Already we know in that reference electrode. Which one is? What is the reference electrode? Standard hydrogen. C is the reference electrode. If reduction occurs on electrode when combined with she, the electrode potential given as a positive sign. What is that? When if reduction occurs on electrode when combined, reduction, that is reduction occurs when combined with the she, this is called what? Positive sign. The potential given as positive sign. Positive sign. If oxidation occur electrode on combined with she, what happened? Oxidation combined with she, it's a negative sign. It gives rise the negative sign. So if reduction occurs on electrode when combined with she means the standard hydrogen electrode, the potential is given a positive sign. If oxidation occurs on an electrode when combined with she, the electrode potential given as the negative sign. So can you look the examples? We know already. Copper electrode acts as a cathode when combined with C. Copper electrode. The copper electrode when combined with standard hydrogen electrode, copper electrode. So combined with, copper electrode act as a cathode. When combined with C. Copper electrode acts as cathode when combined with the standard hydrogen electrode. So cathode means reduction. So what happened? There is a reduction takes place. Cathode means reduction. So what is the reaction? We can see the reaction. What is the reaction? So standard hydrogen electrode is an oxidation. We know that H2 gives rise to H plus plus 2 electron. This is called oxidation. Okay. Now copper reduction means copper plus 2 ion. Copper ion takes electrons. So copper plus 2 takes 2 electrons. These electrons to form the copper metal. So this is the reduction. So reduction. So mean reduction mean it is a cathode. In case zinc electrode act as anode when combined with She, we can take that zinc. Zinc act as anode when combined with She. When combined with C, mean anode mean it is an oxidation. Oxidation. So what is the reaction? Zinc lost the 2 electrons. So zinc metal lost 2 electrons. So we get the zinc. This is called the oxidation. 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 So these electrons take the 2H plus ions to form the hydrogen gas. This is reduction. Reduction. Okay, this the sign of the reaction. Sign of electrode potential. So always this type of reactions occur in the all electrodes, especially quin hydrogen electrode, glass electrode, and many electrodes we can take it. Okay, this is about the some reactions. Okay, the next very important topic is the Nernst equation. What is that? Nernst equation. So that is the most important derivation. This will come definitely 5 marks question. So okay, now Nernst equation. Nernst equation. So Nernst equation is used for the determination pH of the solution. Determination pH of the solution by using quinhydron and glass electrodes. Using quinhydron and glass electrode. So Nernst equation actually derived from the Gibbs free energy under standard conditions. So it is a completely derivative equation. It's a very important reaction equation. Nernst equation. Equation derived from Gibbs free energy. Gibbs free energy. Gibbs free energy under standard conditions. So before going to derive, we have to know the general equations. So any equation, for example, hydrogen react with what? Oxygen to form water molecule. Like that, an equation you have get an idea. So what is that idea? So general hypothetical equation I will write here. Hypothetical equation. So what is the hypothetical equation? So here an hypothetical equation A plus B react to form L plus M. This is a hypothetical equation. So now applying want of reaction. Applying want of reaction. Applying want of reaction. Want of reaction. So want of reaction, you know that Gibbs free equation in thermodynamic chemistry. That is the delta G is equal to delta G0 plus RT ln Q. You know an idea? That is what? Delta G is equal to delta G0 plus RT ln Q. RT ln Q. So Q is equal to what? Reaction coefficient. Q is equal to reaction coefficient. Reaction coefficient. So this is a product and reactant. Product and reactant. So these are the reaction coefficients. Q. So this is the want of reaction. This is general hypothetical reaction. Now we can divide the delta G, or not divided, delta G by, in place of delta G is equal to minus NFE. Delta G is equal to minus NFE. So what happened? So you substitute this one in place of delta G. So what happened? Delta G equal to minus NFE equal to minus NFE 0 plus RT LNQ. Okay. So now this whole equation divided by both sides, divided by the NFE, NF by NF. You have to divide it, both side of the reaction. You have to divide it the what? NF minus NF, both the equation. So what happened? So if both the equation divided by NF mean minus NF, so what happened here? So minus NF minus F cancel, so E will get. Then here the E0. Here divided by mean minus RT NF ln Q. So this is the equation we will get after dividing the both sides by minus NF. So you know that Q is equal to what? Q is equal to coefficient, mean product by reactants. So can you write the reaction here? E0 minus RT by NF ln product by reactants. So what are the products? What are the products? Now I am writing here. So E is equal to E0 minus RT by NF ln products. Products are what? That L M by A B. So this is all. So if you can do this one like this, E0 minus plus RT by NF ln A G B L and M. So minus will cancel by plus. If you get the right, reactant by products. Reactant by before that, product by reactant. Q is equal to product by reactant. Now Q is equal to reactant by product. So this one. So if you can do use the log plus RT log 2.303 RT by NF log A B by L. So this is one, if you using the log. Then this value if provided this value is R is equal to 0.831, T is equal to absolute temperature, if all the values if you can use in this, then you will get the 0.0591 by N log, this one is the Q. So this is the final reaction. This is the final reaction. So what is that? First of all, Gibbs is equal to, we apply the want of reaction, the delta is equal to, if delta is equal to minus NF, you substitute the minus NF value in the place of delta G, we will get this equation. So this equation divided by the minus NF, we will get the E is equal to E0 minus RT by NF ln Q. That is the Q is equal to product by a reactant. Okay. So now E minus RT by NF ln by product by reactant. So product means this is the product L M by A B. So this is the product. Or we can write the just in place of R, this one we can write the reactant by product, we will get the plus sign. So what? Reactant by product. So before that minus RT by NF. So ln is equal to, if you write the reactant by product, we will get this equation. So replace the ln, you use the log value, that we will get the plus 2.3 RT by NF log. Okay, so this is the equation. If we cut the by 2.3, R value is the universal gas equation and T is the absolute temperature and F is the Faraday value. So all the equation, if we can write all the equations, so we will get this reaction. So here important thing is what? Please note down all these things step by step. Then all these things. Here, for reduction potential, for oxidation potential, for reduction potential, for reduction potential, for reduction potential. So, for reduction potential, E is equal to E0 plus E0 2.303 RT by NF log Q. 2.303 RT NF log Q. Okay. R E is equal to E0 plus 0.0591 by N log Q. This one for reduction potential. This one for reduction potential. In the case of for oxidation potential, for oxidation potential, E is equal to E0 minus 2.303 RT by NF log Q. R E is equal to E0 minus 0.0591 by N log Q. So these are the reactions. This is for are called the Nernst equations. These two are called the Nernst equations. So now Nernst equation is the E is equal to E0 plus 2.303 RT by NF log Q. R, substitute the R value, T absolute temperature and Faraday. These three values if you substitute and calculate, we will get this answer 0.0591 by N. So E is the number of electrons. So E is equal to E0 plus 0. Log Q. Q is the that is the reactant byproducts. Okay. So for reduction, so reduction and oxidation. For oxidation, minus value, reduction plus value. So these two are very, very important for calculation, determination of pH value. So log mean pH we can get further. Okay. So R value and T value, you know, R value is 8.3114 joules per Kelvin per mole, and Faraday value 9600 coulombs, and absolute temperature 298 Kelvin temperature. Okay, 298 R is equal to 8.31 kilojoules per mole, and T is equal to 298 K, and F is equal to 96 of coulombs, 9600 coulombs. All this value, if you substitute in this reaction, we will get the 0.059 by N log Q. So these two reactions are Nernst equation. This Nernst equation is very applicable for finding the determination pH value in a given solution by using a glass electrode potential or quinhydrogen potential. Okay. So for application, what are the application? Nernst equation is used for the calculate the electrode potential of unknown metals. So that is the one application. If anybody can ask you, determination of pH value. So calculate the electrode potential of unknown metal, and applications of EMF series. So and one more application also there, the corrosion tendency of metal can be predicted, corrosion tendency. So these are the some applications. Okay, please note down all these things and applications. And one example problem, I will see the one example problem. Okay. So one example problem. So one problem using by these two problem for reduction, for oxidation, if possible two. So what problem? Please note down. So what is the potential of lead electrode? What is the potential of lead electrode? Potential of lead electrode. What is the potential of lead electrode? That is in contact with the solution of 0.015 molar solution of lead, or Pb plus 2 molar solution of lead ions. Okay, and the standard electrode potential, this is the standard electrode potential. So standard electrode potential is the 0.13. So we have to find the electrode potential. What is the, once again problem, what is the potential of lead electrode? Potential of lead. So you have to find this one, lead electrode potential. Contact with the solution of 0.015 molar lead ions. And in standard value is this much. Okay, now how can you write the solution? The solution is very simple. So now you know this one and this one. So lead molarity we have no. So first of all you write the equation. So what is the equation? So solution, just write the lead. So lead plus 2. Lead to lead plus 2. So mean 2 electrons. What is the standard electron value? How much? 0.13 volts. 0.13 volts. Okay, this is the standard oxidation potential. Standard oxidation potential. Standard oxidation potential value is given. And concentration 0.05. Concentration. So that is a lead concentration. What concentration? Lead concentration is how much? 0.05. molar. So this one you have to. So oxidation potential mean, so we have to select it. For this is the reduction, this is the oxidation. So we can take this equation. What is the equation? Now E is equal to E0 minus 0.0591 by N log. So Q is what? Lead. Pp. So E0 is the standard one. How much? E0 is the standard 0.13. Minus 0.059. So how many electron? N is equal to 2. N is equal to 2 electron. So by 2. So log lead molarity how much is given? Log molarity 0.15. 0.015. So all this. Okay. So now log 0. So we have to find the log value of this one. So log value. So what is the log value of this one? How much? That is the minus 1824. 0.130591 by 2. So log point is equal to this. 0.181. V is equal to 0.13 by 0.0591 by 2. So log 0.0. This is the equation, down equation. Now what we have to find? First of all, divided by this one. So if we get divided into how much value is will get? If you divided this value, 0.295 will come. 0.295 if you divide it by. Mean 0.13 minus, and what is the log 0.15 value? Log value. This is the log value. So what is the log value? That is the minus 1824. Minus 1824. Minus 1.824. So if you can do this one, minus to minus plus, so now 0.13 plus, if you get the, what is the value? 0.0539. So total value is the 0.184. So this is the problem for one oxidation potential. In the case of, so one more problem. For example, calculation of electrode potential of zinc electrode dipped in 1 molar zinc sulfate solution at 25 degree solution. For example, zinc sulfate. So here the zinc sulfate value, so molar solution is the 0.1, N is equal to 2. If that is, we have to use that is the zinc is the reduction potential. So for example, you have to take this one, reduction potential. So like that, whatever the problems are given, so using of oxidation, so first you have to write the equations. For example, so how can you write the equations? If oxidation means you like this one. If reduction, in the case of reduction, zinc, so zinc plus 2 electrons, you write the zinc. So this is the reduction. This is the reduction. So reduction equation, you take the reduction equation, this one. If oxidation like that, lead plus 2 mean this reaction. So you have to do all the problems like that. So go to the library, please go to the library, then refer some problems and do it and practice it. If you have any doubt, please ask me. So after completion of the class, I will take one more class for the complete problems. Okay? Thank you very much.